So I'm making this video to show you the best way you can be able to withdraw all your earnings from Cheelee platform, right? And at the end of this video, I am definitely going to let you know my honest opinion about Cheelee. But if this is the first time you are hearing about Cheelee platform, I'm going to make a kind of a recap or a summary of what Cheelee is all about, right? And towards the end of the summary, I am going to proceed to show you how you can be able to withdraw all your earnings from Cheelee platform. So in case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. My name is Leo and I create videos around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to earn money online and offline. Click the like button to show appreciation of the value you're about to get in today's video and join this beautiful family right now by clicking on that subscription button. So with all this being said, let's jump straight into the video. So first thing first, Cheelee is a platform that promises to pay you for watching short video content on their platform, and they are going to pay you using their currency called Lee, right? So after being paid with Lee, you are going to convert the Lee to USD and then probably withdraw it using cryptocurrency or straight down to your local bank account. As a new user in Cheelee, all you have to do to get started is to go to Google Play Store, download Cheelee, all right, get registered, or you can use the link I'll be leaving in the video description or also in the comment section. Click on the link, get registered. So let's say you are done with the registration. How do you earn? You have to go back to the Cheelee platform and you start watching short videos, right? So as you're watching short videos, so as they're paying you with their currency called Lee, this currency you are going to convert it to USD and then withdraw it using cryptocurrency or withdraw it using back transfer straight to your local bank account. Now you would want to earn more, right? Now for you to earn more in Cheelee platform, you have to buy glasses. Now how do you buy glasses? So you have to locate at the bottom of the platform called market. Click on the market and then you are going to see different glasses you can be able to buy with different prices. Okay, look at the one you would like to purchase, click on it, click on buy, link your card or make payments using bank transfer. So let's say you are done buying these glasses. All you have to do is to go back and start watching those short videos. As you're watching the short videos, so as they're paying you using their currency called Lee, right? Now as you're watching the video, a box is going to pop out and you are going to be instructed to click or tap on the box. So once you tap on the box, they are going to pay you in either dollars or cents, right? After much more, you can be able to withdraw to your local bank account or using cryptocurrency. That's one way you can be able to earn money from Cheelee, by watching short videos. Another way you can be able to earn money on Cheelee is by creating content. Yes, you just have to create content. So as you create content and post, people watch and then people gift you. That is another way you can be able to earn money from Cheelee. Now another way you can actually earn money again from Cheelee is through referral. So if anybody should register with your link, you are definitely, and buy glasses, of course, you are definitely going to get paid. That is another way you can actually make money from Cheelee. So I've mentioned the way you can be able to get registered with Cheelee. I've also talked about how you can be able to earn from Cheelee. Now we are going to move to how you can be able to withdraw your earning, because that is the most important thing. Making money online is one thing, just like I always say, but being able to withdraw your earning online is another different thing. All right, so let's move straight to how you can be able to withdraw your earning. But if you have gotten to this extent, I want you to do something for me. Click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you are getting in today's video. It's not going to take extra data from you. Just click the like button in appreciation. And guys, if you're here to join this beautiful family, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Smash the subscription button. Yes, I'm talking to you watching this video right now. Go ahead and smash the subscription button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. What this bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload awesome video just like this one you are watching. I believe you've liked the video and I believe you've joined the family by smashing the subscription button. So let's jump straight into the video. Before proceeding with the live withdrawal, I'm going to list out 3 cons and pros you have to look out for so that Cheelee will not flag your account. All right, so Cheelee will not restrict your account or block or ban your account. So first and foremost, whenever you are watching videos on Cheelee and then your time elapsed, you just have to log out of Cheelee platform or just leave the platform entirely. Stop watching once your time elapsed. If you continue watching, they are going to restrict your account. That is 1. 2, do not open multiple accounts in a particular phone. Okay, don't open multiple accounts in a particular phone. Last but not the least, make sure to buy glasses. I don't think anybody will be able to tell you this, but before you can be able to withdraw from Cheelee, you must have to buy glasses. Cheelee can pay you even if you don't buy glasses, but before you can be able to withdraw that money accumulated in your Cheelee platform, you must have to buy glasses. All right, so these are the pros and cons, right? So let's move straight to how you can be able to withdraw your money from Cheelee platform. So I'm on Cheelee platform right now, so I'm going to place a live withdrawal. So let's go, guys. What you have to do now is to click on earn aspect of the platform. All right, so once you click on earn, and then this is the interface you are going to see. I want you to go ahead and click over here that says withdrawal to card, right? So once you click on withdrawal to card, this is another interface you are going to see. I want you to go ahead and click over here to select the currency you would want to withdraw from, right? So once you click on the currency, select your currency, right? So after selecting your currency, I want you to click or type in the amount you would want to withdraw, right? So for me, I would want to withdraw everything, so I'm going to click on mask, right? So I've clicked on mask. The next thing I'm going to do is to select the mode of payment, which is over here. It has written bank transfer, but let's open it and see other payments option, right? So click on that. So we're going to see over here we have bank transfer, we have OPay, we have PalmPay, right? So I am going to use bank transfer for the sake of this video, right? So I'm going to click on bank transfer. So we are done. I have to go ahead and click over here that says confirm, right? So click on confirm and then confirm again. So they are going to take me to this interface for me to fill in my details, like bank details and the rest of them. So I'm just going to pause this video, fill my details, and then click on continue with payouts. All right, so let's go, guys. So I'm done requesting for payment, and as you can see, it's showing payment pending, right? So if I should be able to receive this money, I'm going to let you know. All right, so stay tuned, guys. So guys, I'm done typing in my bank details and I've clicked on confirm payment. All right, so I'm going to check my phone, right? I'm having my phone right now, so I'm going to check my PalmPay because I used PalmPay. All right, so I'm going to check my PalmPay to see if I was able to receive this money from Cheelee. I've seen a whole lot of video from people saying Cheelee is having problem processing payments, and I'm here making this video to know if what they're saying is actually true, if Cheelee is kind of having problem processing payments. All right, so I've clicked on confirm payment, so I'm going to check my PalmPay account to see if I'm able to receive this account. So let's proceed, guys. So I am going to open up my PalmPay account, right? And then I'm going to check if this money arrived. All right, guys, as you can see right now, I have received the money, which is 10,481 naira. This is how much I received. So I'm going to open the transaction history so that we can see for yourself. As of today, I'm making this video. Today is 11th May 2025. All right, so as you can see that the money came in as exactly May 11th 2025. All right, so and as you can see, the money that I received was 10,461 naira. So this is trying to say that Cheelee is paying, Cheelee is not having an issue. If Cheelee was actually having issue processing payments, maybe they're having issue, but as now I'm making this video, I was able to receive my money. It didn't even take time, it didn't even take up to like 5 minutes for me to get these payments, even though they wrote you can get it within 72 hours, but it was not even able to take up to 5 minutes, and I was able to receive this payment. So guys, Cheelee is actually paying now. If they're having problem processing payments now, as at the time I'm making this video, Cheelee is paying. So if you want to start earning from Cheelee, I'm going to leave a link in the comment section and also in the video description. Click on the link, get registered, and start earning for yourself. All right, but remember, the cons and the pros of Cheelee is that you don't have to open multiple accounts, right? Once your time elapsed on Cheelee, you just have to go out of the platform, stop watching the video again. All right, and then last but not the least, you have to buy glasses before you can be able to withdraw your earning. I don't know if anybody will be able to say that, but I'm saying it now to you. You have to buy glasses before you can be able to withdraw your earning from Cheelee. So guys, this is what I have for us in today's video. If you have gotten to this point, go ahead and click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you got in today's video, and don't forget to join this beautiful family, guys. It won't take anything from you. Click the subscription button. In fact, smash the subscription button. But hey, don't forget to turn on the bell notification. What this bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload awesome video just like this one you watch. All right, so guys, we recently created a WhatsApp group, and what we do in this WhatsApp group is to upload various strategies, ways, methods you can be able to earn a whole lot of money for yourself online and offline. All right, so most times we don't even bring it here on YouTube, we just only leave it on the WhatsApp group. So to join this WhatsApp group, I'll also be leaving the link in the video description and also in the comment section. Click join the community, and I will see you on the other side. Keep winning and always know that Leo loves you. And until next time I see you again, comrade. Bye.